Hello everyone, welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. I wanted to share with you really quickly some hot cocoa or hot chocolate pouches that I have made for some children at a church. My cousin is in charge of the children's ministry at the church she attends. And I just felt like I wanted to share a little something with them. It's a very small group. So I have made a few cocoa pouches for the children. So all I've used is the acetate. It is the transparency film, and I've had this box like forever. It's already all beat up and whatnot, but I used, of course, we use this acetate for many things, and I thought, well, I was going to make them chip bags, and I thought, you know what, it would be, for me, cuter to use the clear film. So what I have done is I just folded one in half, and I stitched all the way around. I have put the hot cocoa in there with a little sweet treat, and then the candy cane too, so they can use to stir their hot chocolate. So they were so easy to make. I just decorated them for, this is for kids, so I wanted something fun on there. And I just put a little bow on each one of them, and these are stickers from the Dollar Tree. The snowflake from the Dollar Tree, and these are actually Christmas tags from the Dollar Tree that I've had in my stash for a really long time. And this is another one. Put a little bell on this one. On this one I didn't put anything because I had already glued down the green on here. I guess I could put it on this side, but I'm gonna leave it as is. And I just thought that was a fun little treat for these kids. I just took out my box of Christmas, Christmas goodies, and I just started, gluing stuff down. And I just, most of them have a little bell on there. I believe that this one is the only one that does not have anything dangling. But yeah, I thought it was a really cute, fun project for the kids. And I did put in this one, I had a few little candies left over from the ones that Leona had sent me in that box, and I thought I would share with them. I think there's a couple of them that have a couple of these candies in there. So yeah, this is what I made for the kiddos, and I thought, well, let me keep going because I was having so much fun. I never sew on anything but fabric. And I made this one. This one's a little more adult, and I thought about, afterwards, I thought about putting the sequins in there. So this one also has the chocolate in there and a candy cane, and I decorated this one. This one's a little more, like I said, grown up. I cut a straw right here, and I just glued it down. And I did just use my hot glue gun, and mine is a hot temp glue gun. And it's not bad. It doesn't like warp the film in any, or the acetate. So I just thought I'd go ahead and give it a try, and it worked out just fine. So I thought this was so adorable. I used my poinsettia die, the Heartfelt Creations poinsettia die. I didn't shade anything in. I just stamped cut, and I did use stickles, and I used some of the foam balls for the center. And the leaves, I cut them out in green, and I did use stickles for the green as well. And it's on there pretty good. It's not coming off. I thought it might come off because the paper is the glossy finish, and no, it stayed on pretty good. So this one is one that's geared more towards an adult. But then I thought, well, what if we were to put something different in here? So what I did was I put a die in one of them, and I decorated this one as well. And I used the sequins and the tissue confetti in this one, of course in the other one as well. And so I just filled it up with some sequins, and that was a mix that someone had sent me, and I just thought it went really well, so I used that mix. And again, all I did was put the greenery, glue some foam balls. This is a little button that I had in my stash along with the Santa Claus. I just put a bow on there, and then the snowflake on the top, the poinsettia, and I just thought these turned out so cute. I mean, you could do so much with these. You can put some trim on the edges, you can dangle stuff, you can just decorate it. And guys, these are meant to be, the reason I sealed the entire thing all the way around was because these are meant to be opened like a present, you know. Just, I want people to open these, those kids, I want them to open it with their parents and, you know, spend a little time with their parents sipping on their hot chocolate. And this is no exception. I want this to be opened as a gift. I don't want anyone to be like, oh, I have to save this. No, open it. It was meant to be opened like a gift. All right, guys, I thought I would share with you really quickly my see-through pouches. I shared these on Instagram. I did not share these because these I made after the candy ones. But yeah, so I just thought these were treat pouches. They were see-through, and I thought they were fun. That's why I made these. Yeah. Well, that is my quick project share for the day. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will talk to everyone later. Have a great day, guys. Thanks a lot.